If you're interested in knowing how to make soap with titanium dioxide, stay tuned, this video is for you. Let's establish our ingredients. PKO 400 grams, caustic soda 66 grams, titanium dioxide any amount as you desire, perfume 9 grams. Our water that we'll be using is 152 grams. These are my spatula and my turning stick that I will be using in turning the soap batter. Set the oil aside, add water to the caustic soda and stir. Stir till everything dissolves properly. Stir till the cloudy color becomes transparent. Then you set aside for it to cool down. Add remaining water into the titanium dioxide and stir. Stir until the particles dissolve properly. Titanium dioxide is the ingredient or substance that we'll be using to make the soap, to color the soap. Titanium dioxide makes soap to be white in color. So if you want your soap to be white, you can add titanium dioxide. Let's stir it and put it aside. This is our mold that we'll be using for this production. Let's put it aside and bring the oil. This is our caustic soda. You can see how bright it is. That has totally cooled down. Pour it into the oil and stir properly. Stir till the oil and the caustic soda mixes together to form batter. Stir it very well till it gets to a trace. You can see that it has gotten to a trace. This is a small soap batter that you are making, so it will quickly get to a trace. Add perfume and stir. Add your perfume bit by bit, then stir properly for a proper mix. Add the titanium dioxide bit by bit and stir. Add the titanium dioxide to your own satisfaction. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because we'll be sharing amazing videos on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I appreciate you. You can ask any question you want to ask on the comment section. Just type anything you want to ask on the comment section and I will reply you. Add the titanium dioxide and stir. I think I'm satisfied with this appearance. It's time to add it to the mold. I want the soap batter to form quickly. That's why I want to use less water in the soap making. If you want your soap batter to be light so that you can be able to pour it easily, so we use a high percentage of water. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to do it. We'll be unmolding the soap in less than 6 hours. So this is 5 hours. We're about to unmold the soap now. You can see our soap. The soap have formed. Look at it. Solid. You know the soap is supposed to be pure white. But if you look at the back, you can see that the soap is pure white. But when you look at the side, you can see that the soap has taken the color of the mold. So our soap come out well, but can you see the back? Pure white. But see the side, it has taken the color of our mold. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.